IBs, welcome back. My name is Hamzat Abib from Coaching Nigeria Enterprises. In this Android and Java tutorial series, we will be continuing about issue just before we proceed to the two buttons I promise you. Now, I was saying something about creating a new issue at the other time, and I also demonstrated how to create the new issues. But there are two more things you need to know. Now, I said when an issue is being created by any of the collaborators or viewer of the repository, you as the team lead can assign a particular collaborator or more than one collaborators to fix the issue. How do you do that? Now come to this gear symbol here, click on it, you can see the assignees. Now assign up to 10 people to this, and let's say there are a lot of collaborators here. It's going to be listed and you can scroll down and pick those people you want to assign. However, I'm the only collaborator for this repository because I simply don't want more people on it. So that's how to it. I can assign myself to fix it. Let me assign myself. Can you see? Now I've assigned myself, and that's it. Now once that is being done, can you see I've assigned myself? Now once that is being done, you can also give labels to your issues. You know, it said issue is being used to talk about bugs and some other enhancement matters. Now, so there are standard labels for those kind of things issues can be used for. Now I can give issue on bug, and this is an issue of bug. Of course I can click bug. So by doing this, voila, I have assigned a label to it. So anybody who views this issue, mere seeing at the label without even reading the content of the issue, would know what the issue is about. Now let's say I created another issue, blah blah blah, and I want to give a, maybe the issue is on duplicate matters, or it is on enhancement matters, or it is on invalid matters. Maybe some things are just kind of saying invalid in the project, and you want to give an issue on it. It could be a question matter, and it could be good first, and you can even create more labels to give to your issue. Now that is that. Now we're not going to go to these two tabs here. What are they used for? Now let's first look at this. Now this button showing the user picture. Now you can see your profile, your repository, your project, blah 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 blah. Let's try your profile. Now you will always have this button once you create a GitHub account, and once you click on that, your profile button I showed you, it's going to take you to your profile, and in your profile user interface you can see the edit button, which means when you click on this edit button, it makes it possible for you to edit the description about yourself and many other things. You can see here I'm not editing anything. Here I said I'm a Java developer who specializes on Android mobile application development, blah 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 blah, and I can save. You can put anything you like there, but always make sure it's something that really defines you. Now you can even put a link there. Here I have my own page link, in which if it is being clicked on, well, I should be referred. Okay, something said error. That's unusual. It's usually go. So, and you can click on it, it should go. I will look into it. Why is it not going? And also in your user interface, you are going to see overviews of all your repositories. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 repositories already, and your project, your followers, and the following. We'll discuss about these in future days. Now let's come to your repositories. Like clicking on your repositories, you will have all your repositories being loaded to you now in orders, and you can always view your activity graph on it, and by clicking on your project as well, you will have your project being loaded to you. I have a global project. I have 2 projects, one closed, one open. Now, and so on like that. If you want your stars and your G's, you want to sign out, you want to make settings, we are going to talk about these settings. It's very important in the later future. So let's look at this other button. Clicking on this plus sign, new things. Now look here, have your things. Your. Now, this is to say that if you want to access what you've already created, you can use this. However, if you want to create new thing of a particular kind, like repository, like gist, like organization project, you use this add button. Now, if you want to create a new repository, I've given a demo on how to do that. Let's look on new organization or new project. That will be another time anyway. But when you click on them, it's going to show you interface whereby you can use to actually create new whatever you actually clicked on. So that will be all for now. Thank you very much. Next time we'll be talking about projects, what project really means in GitHub. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time.